Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of this course. In this video, we're going to be designing our second logo together, which is for an imaginary brand called Clock. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to insert a rectangle and I'm going to hold Shift in order to create a square. Pretty nice. Let's set it to 200 by 200 like this. Then I'm going to increase the corner radius of 3 corners, okay? So I need to change the top left corner to 100, the top right corner to 100 as well, and the bottom left corner to 100, like this. And after that, I'm gonna set the color code to 00, D179, like this. Let me zoom in. And now I need to insert a circle here. I'm gonna hold Shift. Pretty nice. And then I'm going to use a gradient for that, the linear one. Let's set the first color to the same color as we have for our main square. Okay. And the second color is going to be a little bit darker. So let's write 038, 750. And I'm going to increase the opacity to 100 like this. Then let's change the direction to get something like this. Pretty nice, isn't it? Now I'm gonna scale it a little bit. So let's click on this Move Tools. And here I'm gonna choose Scale. You could also press K on your keyboard. And I'm gonna hold Shift. And let's scale it. Pretty nice. Let's set it to 176 by 176. And the paddings are going to be 12, as you can see. Then I'm gonna click on this arc circle. And I'm gonna hold Shift like this. Pretty nice. Now I'm gonna rotate it by 90 degrees. And as you can see, I got something like this. However, I need to change the direction of my gradient. So let's use these handle controllers to get something like this. Can you see that I just created a clock here? It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Then I'm going to add a text and the font is Roboto. So let's write clock. And it's going to be 80 points. I'm going to change the color to the same green. Let's align it. Its left padding is going to be 16 pixels, like this. And now I'm going to group them. Let's call it clock. And that's all. Did you see how easy it is to use simple shapes for creating amazing logos? Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video.